Are you ready to supercharge your automation in 2025? Today, I'm going to show you how to build sub-zaps in Zapier, a game-changing technique to streamline your workflows like a pro. Whether you're new to Zapier or already a seasoned user, mastering sub-zaps can save you time and make your automations more powerful. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. Click the login button in the top right corner and sign in. Using your Google account is the fastest way to get started. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard where all your existing zaps live. To create a sub-zap, click the Create button. Now you'll start by setting up a trigger, which is the event that kicks off your automation. For this example, select Slack as your trigger app, then choose the event New Message Posted to Channel. This ensures your automation activates whenever a new message appears in the channel you specify. Connect your Slack account, authorize the integration, and test the trigger to make sure everything is working perfectly. With the trigger ready, it's time to define your action. Search for Airtable, select it, and choose the event Create Record. Link your Airtable account and test again. This confirms your data flows correctly from Slack to Airtable. Here's where the magic of sub-zaps comes in. Click the plus sign to add another step, type sub-zap, and select Call a sub-zap. Choose the specific sub-automation you want to run and test it one last time. Once everything works smoothly, click Publish to activate your sub-zap. Just like that, you've created a powerful automation chain that runs seamlessly in the background, saving you hours of manual work. Sub-zaps aren't just a feature, they're a workflow revolution. By linking multiple automations together, you can focus on what really matters while Zapier handles the repetitive tasks for you. Give it a try and see how much more efficient your daily workflows can become. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and full Zapier tutorials that keep you ahead in 2025.